Welcome! Today we're delving into the surprising world of weight loss with rice. Yes, rice. Often villainized as a weight gain culprit, rice, when used correctly, can be a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. We'll explore tantalizing, healthy rice recipes that will leave you satiated and assist in shedding those stubborn pounds. Our star recipe? A simple brown rice salad. Brown rice, a whole grain packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals, doesn't spike your blood sugar as much as white rice, helping control your appetite and curb those cravings. For this salad, gather 2 cups of cooked brown rice, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and if you wish, a 1/4 cup of feta cheese. Simply toss the ingredients together in a large bowl and voila! Perfect for lunch or dinner, this salad can be amped up with grilled chicken, tuna, or beans for an extra protein kick. Remember, rice isn't the enemy. Used wisely, it can be an integral part of your weight loss journey.